You know why Louisiana food is the best food in the world?
'Cause we're slow cooking.
You heard the man. Well, slow cooking's about to pay off fast with some deliciously good deals on my amazing Popeye's chicken. How good? I'm talking 4 pieces for only $5 good. You heard me. 4 for $5 good. Or 10 pieces of...
Civil danger for the entire state of Missouri. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Missouri state government, the North American Aerospace Defense Command and the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 9:30 a.m. MDT, NORAD has detected 2 nuclear warheads headed to St. Louis and Kansas City. It is expected that the 2 nuclear warheads will hit the listed cities within 15 to 20 minutes. All citizens of these cities are advised to seek a fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear explosions. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. It will take only a minute for the effects of fallout to spread. Grab an emergency set of supplies such as non-perishable food, water, medical supplies, first aid kit, fully charged cell phone, phone charger and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio to last for 14 days. The National Guard will assist you to your nearest fallout shelter. Stay tuned for further updates of this event.
Hi, Phil Swift here for Flex Paste, the incredible rubberized paste. Right out of the tub, Flex Paste is super thick. It clings to the surface and it instantly fills gaps and holes. Flex Paste penetrates deep into hard-to-reach areas. You can spread it, shape it to take on just about any form. Use Flex Paste on wood, metal, all types of surfaces. Once it dries, it turns to this strong, flexible rubber. It expands and contracts. Flex Paste is tough stuff. Now that's a lot of damage. But with Flex Paste, you can create a watertight seal.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his designated representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt your normal programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow at the alert tone. Please stand by. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is Skywalker News Channel 109.45 FM. We will continue to serve the Topeka area. If you're not in this local area, tune now to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Topeka area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. This is a global emergency action notification message. All normal programming is suspended indefinitely due to an ongoing global crisis. This is Skywalker News Channel 109.45 FM. We will continue furnishing news, official information, and instructions to the Topeka area. If you are not in the Topeka area, you should tune to stations providing news and information in your area. It is important to listen carefully to information from your local station.
My fellow Americans, I bring you very bad news. I wish I would never say this, but World War III has officially begun. Hours ago, Kansas City and St. Louis have been bombed by Russia. Now this war has escalated into a world war even bigger than World War I and World War II. Russia, China and North Korea have allied themselves, while us and NATO are preparing for war. The Philippines, Indonesia, Taiwan and Thailand have joined NATO. This will help us in our war effort. I'm asking the American people to not lose hope. We will prevail this war. If this escalated into a nuclear war, humanity might go extinct. Thank you for listening to my message. God bless you all, and as always, God bless America. This message is transmitted at the request of what remains of the United States government. For the past 2 months it's been nothing but death, destruction and economic downfall. 200 million lives have been lost. Russia and China have launched all of their nukes, while us and NATO have launched all our nukes. These nukes will destroy every urban centers. This will cause a global winter and crop failure. The end of humanity is imminent. Our fate has been sealed. All remaining citizens are to gather your friends and families and brace for the end. Despite my short time as president, you all have shown me that you did your jobs as American people. Thank you for your cooperation with your government and being a part of the American dream. May God save us all.
Thanks for watching. I'm sorry if I haven't been doing a lot of videos. I was busy for my final exams. Hit that subscribe button. Goodbye. See you in the next video.